Hi, it's Mr. Gutierrez. It is 3:58. We are in Mr. Evans' class. Oh, it looks like 3:58. So it's 3:28. We're in Mr. Evans' room. So what we are going to do. Hello, Mr. Evans.
Hi.
So what we're going to do, we are going to take a look at a particular sample.
At my belly.
Nope. There we go. Boom. There we go.
All right. We're gonna look at the dissolving lab that we did this afternoon, today, and for your catalyst today, what's now today because you're watching it today, is going to be to look at the sample that we make in the big jar and see if it's any different from what you saw in the demonstration that Mr. G and I did in class. So let's get started. First of all, we had our salt. So we had, I think, 50 grams in all the classes. So we're gonna make two of these. We're gonna make one for Mike. Ooh, let me put some of that back. So we need 50 grams in each. That's 66. Get rid of some.
So scientists make sure that they measure correctly. So that's why we're trying it so much.
62. 55. Whoa. Now that's going to be too... Oh, no.
Oh, 51.
All right, 51.
Perfect.
We're good. All right, so Mr. G, should we do this for your class then?
Yeah.
All right, so there's 51. And then the other thing we're going to do is get 1,000 grams total with the glass and the water. So there's the beaker. We're going to fill this one up. So we did this in class already. And we got to dump a tiny bit. I'm having a tough time getting this accurate.
So what you're listening to right now is Jim Cross. Cross? Something like that.
All right. So we got 1,005. So we got 1,005 plus 51 of this one, and then we're gonna do just what we did in class. We're gonna dump this salt in here. And as you can see, it probably looks the same as you saw it in class. It's kind of opaque. We started with a clear and colorless liquid, and now we've got kind of a milky looking thing. And this one, let me get a marker and I'm gonna mark this. I'm gonna mark this with Mr. G's initial. Mr. G. There we go. And you're gonna see that this will change by tomorrow. It won't look like milk anymore. And then, so whatever Mr. G's showing you right now, you're gonna have to tell him why it looks like this.
Mm-hmm.
All right, now mine. So we're gonna do 50 again.
Do you want me to do that one? Want to switch it out?
Yeah.
All right.
Mr. G's gonna do my one, and I'm gonna film him.
All right. Now, we gotta make sure that we measure it right. So we're at 38. Now, you guys helped me count last time, so I'm gonna see if I can do it pretty good. What is this music?
This is science music.
This is very, very soothing music.
All right. Oh. Little ghost more.
There we go. All right. So we got 50 grams of sodium salt in here. Now, before we get started, we need water. So how many grams of water did you do?
I did with the water on the scale with the here. Hold on. I gotta zero it out.
All right. Let's zero it.
And water combined.
There you go.
With the salt with the beaker is going to be 1,000 grams.
1,000. It's weird looking at it upside down.
Oh, dude, nice.
1002.
1002. All right, 1002.
All right. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix them. There we go. Hold it right there.
Oh, that looks kind of cool.
Yeah.
You can see that change immediately too. Mr. G is much more gentle about his adding of the stuff.
Well, you know, it's like art. Chemistry is like art. You got to make sure you mix it.
I just dumped it in.
Kind of cool.
Yeah, it does look kind of cool.
All right. So I'm gonna stir that up.
Nice, huh?
Very soothing exercise.
It is, yeah.
All right. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put mine on there, right?
Yep. Yours says MG.
I'm gonna put where's your marker?
Here, there's a black marker.
So I'm gonna put ME for Mr. E. Boom. And then we're gonna test it, see what it looks like tomorrow.
Yeah. So you guys are gonna have to write it now. Now you're gonna see the thing after like a day of stuff, of settling and doing whatever it's doing. And now you have to write a description about the change and tell us why you think that change happened. So, part 1, what is the change? Part 2, why did it change?
Why did it change?